Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be inking and painting this cute little boat, and for that I did use Panart handmade watercolor book, and also I used my own watercolors, sky and earth sets, a little bit of brown, some red, turquoise, blue, and for the inking I use Micron 03 and 05 ink pens. Those are waterproof archival inks. For the brushes I use this Raphael number 0 quill brush and this no name detail brush to add in a little bit of the white paint. This is Art Creation all-purpose white paint. So guys, without further ado, let's get to it. I will start with adding some ink, and then on top I will be adding watercolors. So first, just going on top of the sketch that I already drew. This sketch is, by the way, available for download from on my Patreon for free members. So if you join for free, you will gain the access to this and many more sketches. So just first, quite simple inking. And now that I finished with that, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the ink to some parts, stylize my drawing a bit, add some shading, and just make some lines a little bit thicker, some little bit thinner, add in ripples in the water, reflection, and some more details onto this wooden sign. So you can see that my lines and my strokes are quite sketchy, and I do want to keep it quite loose. This is a sketchbook drawing, so it's kind of a nice practice and very, very loose. So when I'm done with my inking, I'm gonna add in some watercolor, starting with turquoise and a little bit of the blue for the water and the sky. Again, quite loosely. Mix with brown and ultramarine to add in the beach, and also a little bit more of this brown to paint in the sides, the wood. Of course, some splatters, and then some more details. I'm gonna paint in the boat, those sails. One side I'm gonna paint red, and on the other side I'm gonna paint with blue, just to make it a little bit interesting. And you can paint it any color that you like. It's completely up to you. Some darker brown onto the wooden sign, and of course some splatters with blue. And I did dry this completely, and when it dried I'm going to write in the text. So this is going to be a chilling place. Of course, again, you can add any text you like onto the sign. And when I finish with that, I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more of the ink to some parts, because my watercolors covered ink a little bit, so I do want to make it visible, more visible in some spots, and add in a little bit more of the details to this upper part of the sign that I didn't finish before writing the text. So some wooden textures, those knots. In the wood, again, I'm gonna add a little bit of the white paint just to add a couple of highlights here and there. And a couple of more watercolor details, some darker paint to add in a little bit more shadow, to pronounce those shadows a bit more and add in some more contrast to overall drawing and illustration. Of course, some splatters. I will finish this one off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's actually available on my Patreon in real time, step by step. If you prefer that sort of videos, you can check it out there together with the sketch. This is the entire spread of my sketchbook, both sides that we did, both drawings, illustration on my Patreon. So thank you so much for joining me today for inking and painting with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. You're gonna give this one a try, and if you did, please hit the like button, share it, maybe hype it. I would appreciate that a lot. And if you haven't still, do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here, and I'm sure you'll find something for yourself. So guys, have a nice day. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye!